how to sign in to Microsoft Teams. So if you want to sign into your Microsoft Teams, then first of all you have to install the application from the Google Play Store. And after installing, you can simply open up your app, and then you can tap on Get Started, which is on the bottom of your screen. And here you will have to enter your email or your phone number of your Microsoft account. So you can simply choose an account, and after entering your email address, tap on Next. And now you have to enter your password of your Microsoft account. But if you don't remember your password, then you can simply tap on Forgotten your password, or you can tap on Email code to your email address, or you can sign in with your different Microsoft account. So I'll be choosing to enter my password because I remember my password. And after entering, you can simply tap on Sign in, which is on the bottom right. And now tap on Get Started, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then tap on Accept and Continue. And if you want to sync your contacts, then you can tap on Continue, but I don't want to sync, then untap it and then tap on Continue. And that's it. That's how you sign into your Microsoft Teams. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.